So what is a tree here? Tree is a non-linear data structure. So here tree, in the tree, we have collection of nodes. These nodes are linked together to form the hierarchy. Here by using hierarchical structure, we are representing the tree. Now we'll discuss some of the terminologies used in the tree. First one is the root. What is the root? The topmost node in the tree data structure is called root, and root does not have any parent node. Okay, so this is A is the root node. For example, if you take this is the tree, no? In this A is the root node. And what is parent node? For this node we have immediate predecessors. Okay, so those nodes are called parent nodes. For example, if you take what are the parent nodes here, A, B, C, E, G are the parent nodes for which you have child nodes. Okay, so those nodes for which child nodes are connected, those nodes are called the parent nodes. So what is A here? A is the parent node of BC, where B is the parent node of DEF, and C is the parent node of GH, E is the parent node of I and J, and G is the parent node of K, like that. What is child node? So the child node is the immediate successor of a node, is known as a child node. So what are the child nodes here? B and C are children of node A. D, E, F are children of B. Like GH is children of C, like that. These are the child nodes. What is the leaf node? Leaf node is the node that does not have any child nodes. So for example, here D does not have any child nodes. No? D, I, J, F, K, H. All these are the leaf nodes because these nodes does not have any child nodes. Okay. So then what is non-leaf nodes? Non-leaf node is a node that has at least one child node. And these are also called internal nodes. Okay. So what is that here? What are the internal nodes here? So B, C, at least one child node it should have. So A, B, C, and E, G are the internal nodes. So then what is the path? It is a sequence of consecutive edges from the source node to destination node. Okay. So for example, if your destination node is J, what is this sequence of edges? Is called the path. Okay. So it is a sequence of consecutive edges from a source node to destination node is called path. And what is the edge here? Edge is the link between two nodes. So for these two nodes, there is a link. No? This is called edge. And siblings. All children that have the same parent node are known as siblings. So for example, BC have same parent node, no A. So that is why BC are called siblings. Similarly, DEF have the same parent node B. So DEF are called siblings. Okay. So like that, the siblings will have the same parent node. And what is degree here? The number of children of a particular node is known as degree. How many children it has, that gives you the degree. So what is the degree of A is 2 because only 2 children. Degree of B is what? 3 here because it has 3 children. Degree of C is 2 again because it has 2 children. And degree of H is what? 0